If you are planning to fly this summer, the Port Authority is warning passengers to prepare for delays getting to JFK Airport. A record number of passengers are expected to fly out of JFK, and the $19 billion construction project will make it even more challenging. A new Terminal 1 is being built that will open in 2026, and then a new Terminal 6 will connect with Terminal 5. On top of that, new airport roadways will have a significant impact on traffic.
The summer travel season is expected to be the busiest ever, but it could be threatened by New York's air traffic controller shortage.
CBS2 investigative reporter Tim McNicholas went to Vaughn College to find out what's driving that shortage and how the Queen School is helping increase the number of eyes watching our skies.
Frontier 585 taxi without delay.
This is just a simulation.
Runway 28 left, clear for takeoff.
But Kyle Rakowski is getting ready to do the real thing.
Academy Tower, runway 28 left, enter left downwind.
The Federal Aviation Administration just hired the 2023 Vaughn College graduate, and he'll soon start the FAA's 3-month air traffic controller training program in Oklahoma City.
Just doing the training here in New York would be much easier and less stressful.
Right now, nearly all FAA air traffic controllers must train at the Oklahoma City Academy, no matter where they're from or where they'll work. But they can only train so many people there at once. So a new FAA initiative will soon allow colleges that already focus on aviation, like Vaughn, to train FAA hires on campus. Like all controllers, they'll still have to complete additional training at the facility they're assigned to work at after their time at Vaughn.
It absolutely should speed up things.
Steve Fano is a retired controller and Vaughn instructor.
I think it's just going to open the door faster for a lot of new prospective students, which will eventually become employees.
Fano worked at the Tri-States facility for controllers guiding approaching and departing planes known as the N90 Tracon on Long Island, now staffed at about 58%. CBS2 filed a public records request with the FAA and learned in the last 5 years, 17 new hires assigned to that facility either failed, transferred to another facility, or left for some other reason before they even completed their additional training there. That's more than double Atlanta's Tracon, where 8 left, and quadruple Southern California, where 4 trainees left.
The most complicated, or one of the most complicated airspaces in the country, and dense and highly populated, a lot of airports close together. So, that plays a factor in that.
There is hope. Thanks to new hires, N90 has more controllers currently in training than any other Tracon. But they'll have to keep getting more applicants, and applicants who can finish the training to meet their staffing needs.
If the FAA can't address this problem, this shortage, what's at stake?
Well, you're going to have more and more delays and more restrictions on airports like we have on New York airports now.
The FAA hasn't said yet which schools will be in the new training program, but they tell CBS2 Vaughn will be in. Unfortunately for Rakowski, the initiative likely won't be off the ground in time for his training.
I can't tell you the amount of friends and family, they're like, oh, what are you doing? And I explain to them, oh, I'm going to be going to Oklahoma City. And they're like, oh, Oklahoma? That's really far away.
And adding to the complications, an FAA plan to move 17 controllers from that Long Island facility to Philadelphia. They'd still cover Newark's airspace, and the FAA says the move will actually help staffing overall. But the controllers are fighting the plan, as are several New York lawmakers, including Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer. Christina Maurice.
So with all the near collisions we've seen over the past several years, is this going to help kind of bring that down?
Well, those are perfect examples of why training is so important, right? And the FAA also recently announced new rules requiring more rest between shifts for controllers. They are often overworked, but they play such a crucial safety role.
Huge.
Yeah. Thank you, Tim.